Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about ThriveCart, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you create a product coupon in your ThriveCart? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to create a coupon in ThriveCart anyway? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, you know that sometimes you're going to offer a special based on the season, maybe a holiday, maybe to a certain group of your audience. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your ThriveCart dashboard. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instruction there as well. But I've already logged into my ThriveCart, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to create a coupon to one of your products, here on the top, you're going to click on these three horizontal lines. Once you do that, you're going to see all the products you're currently offering. However, to create a coupon, up here on the top, you're going to click on coupons. It's in gray. Once you do that, you're going to click on the blue create coupon button. Okay, so now ThriveCart's going to take you through a series of questions to go ahead and create this coupon. So first, you're going to go ahead and give it a coupon name. This is just for your internal. So for example, if I'm going to give a coupon to my Instagram audience, maybe I'm going to do Instagram 25%, right? And here we're going to go ahead and give it a coupon name. So maybe I'll do 25. So this is going to be customer face, and then coupon status, I'm going to go ahead and make it enabled. Discount type. So this could be a fixed amount off or a percentage, which is what we're going to do. So I'm going to change this to percentage, and the percentage, I'm going to add 25, and this would apply to the entire funnel, the main product, or main product bumps. So for me, I'm going to go ahead and leave it at entire funnel and then next. Okay, here you can go ahead and list the coupon is available immediately or from a specific date. So maybe if it's for Valentine's Day, you can set it for Valentine's Day to be active, and the coupon is redeemable until you disable it or it's used, or you can set it for an expiration date. So it's good for the next 7 days or so. So we'll go ahead and change this to July 5th. And then here you can go ahead and set a limit on how many people can use this coupon if you want. So for example, the first 50 users of this are going to get this discount, and we're going to go ahead and click on next. Okay, so now the coupon applies to all of your products, or you can set individual products. So I'm going to do specific products, and I'm going to go ahead and choose my coaching call right here, and maybe my Italian food course. And then we're going to click on next. Here, this is for automation. This doesn't apply for my particular coupon, so I'm going to click on save. Okay, now we have our Instagram 25% coupon. So we can go ahead and copy the coupon code right here. And if you see we paste it out, it's going to say IG25. So now I'm going to go on my YouTube channel or my Instagram and let my viewers know if they use the coupon code IG25, they're going to get a 25% discount on my coaching call. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to create a coupon for one of your ThriveCart products, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up, or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.